Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share with you how I earned big gains in Niki by completing tasks on the Nikilive app. As you can see, I've made some amazing gains in Nikilive this month and I'm thrilled to share my secret with you. So, how did I do it? I simply completed tasks on the Nikilive app such as the daily tasks. Here we have post the moment and get featured, you get 1000 coins. Party room on mic, you get recommendation card and flowers, and so on and so forth. Okay, and apart from that, I did my live tasks, which is for me to live stream every single day so I can receive my reward. Okay, you can also receive higher than this. The income you got for the past 7 days determines the reward you're going to get per hour live stream. Okay, so apart from live stream, I also play games on the Nikilive app to get money. Okay, you can see here it says if I play the gift wheel, I'll get 1000 coins. If I get game share income, I'll get 8500 beans. And all this you see here, they are money. Okay, real money. The coins is money, the beans is money on the Nikilive app, and you can calculate it. You can calculate it to see how much you're going to earn at the end of the day by completing the daily tax, the live tax, and the play tax on the Nikilive app. And apart from that, you can also earn by being an agent and also by inviting your friends to join the Nikilive app. So what can you learn from my experience? Firstly, take advantage of the Nikilive app's tax and rewards. Secondly, stay consistent and make completing tasks a part of your daily routine. Lastly, believe in yourself and your ability to earn big gains in Niki. I want to encourage you all to try it out for yourself. Download the Nikilive app, complete tasks, and start earning rewards. Remember, every small task counts, and it's never too late to start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.